Namaste. My name is CHRISTIANA DELL'AIRA. I'm Italian and I'm currently living in Switzerland. Today it's the last day of my Ayurveda retreat in Somatheeram Ayurveda Village. I spent here 14 days and I'm extremely grateful for the experience I could go through. This is a very well organized stay because they look after everything and we feel like babies and like a cocoon, and we surrender ourselves to the care of doctors, therapists, the staff, everybody always smiling and welcoming, offering not only service but really a family feeling which makes you feel at home. And the day is so very well organized because we receive a good, generous 2 hours of treatment, and we every day can make meditation and yoga with excellent teachers who follow us and challenge ourselves to overcome our limits too. Food is delicious, is every day different, 3 times per day, always fresh cooked and presented, and the attention for every detail is just wonderful because it's like really something for our soul, not only for the eyes. It's a very eco-friendly place, and that's also one of the reasons why I choose this place. Here you won't find any plastic at all and any other material which is not organic. And I like the fact that you find a lot of local crafts that are used also in the toilet, for instance, so that's wonderful. And last but not least, I love plants, so for me to be here and have the chance to see all the Ayurveda plants which are used in Ayurveda medicine was such a gift, because I can learn, because there is always the name written, and it's fabulous. So I'm really already dreaming about my next stay, and last but not least, I feel much better than when I arrived. It means that the treatment are very effective. That's why I really want to continue and come back. Namaste.